So this exercise is a knee bent hip extension. So it's a progression of the alternating hip extension because it puts the hip flexors and the rectus femoris, which is the quad muscle that crosses the hip, on a stretch. So it's a little bit more difficult to do. So same setup, you're going to lay on your stomach with the pillow above your pelvis to support your lumbar spine in a neutral position. Okay, you're going to lay down, and then we're only going to do one leg at a time with this exercise. So you're going to bend up that knee, your core is engaged, and then you're going to use your glutes to lift that foot up towards the ceiling, okay, without letting your back arch too much or your pelvis rock back and forth. Okay, so you can see I don't have that much range of motion because my hip flexors and my rectus femoris is tight, okay, but I'm feeling a lot of activation in my glutes, especially that end range of the motion. So I'll demonstrate a couple repetitions. Core engaged, glute engaged. I'm going to lift up as high as I can without letting my back arch. Pause for a second or two at the top. Come down nice and slow. Okay? And then we can do the same thing on the other side. Core engaged in that neutral spine position, and then use the power of my glutes to lift my foot up towards the ceiling. Now I'm going to feel some muscle activation in my hamstring. That's normal, but I want you to feel it mostly in your glutes and in your core rather than just your hamstrings.